Masih hujan rintik-rintik, laut tenang. Silakan. Ayo coy, pasang-pasang. Allah Akbar, air laut naik di LT, Grand LT ke Krakatau. Allah Akbar. Allah Akbar.
Area yang memang atau jalan yang tertimbun puing-puing ini masih bisa dilewati oleh kendaraan roda 2 dan masih dimanfaatkan oleh warga sekitar untuk melihat atau menjenguk keluarganya yang saat ini juga sudah berada di tempat yang lebih aman, yakni di tempat.
G'day guys, how are you? Good to see you. Thank you for watching. Well, just before Christmas, how's this? Massive tsunami hits Indonesia. I don't know if there's any warning about this, guys. I'm not sure. But I just got it off Facebook, and I thought I'd look into it. But massive, isn't it? So let's have a look at the information. This is recent just now. A tsunami thought to be triggered by volcanic eruptions. Yeah, right. Has hit beaches in Indonesia, killing 43 people and leaving hundreds injured. At least 584 guys. Indonesia's Disaster Mitigation Agency said several members of the pop group actually come in. The water actually come in as they were performing there. They got this off Facebook, I think, or Twitter. But here's some of the devastation of the ocean coming in, and at least 20 people. There's 40 odd now, but they probably won't be able to, probably won't be able to, assess the whole lot. How many people have been killed till they get right into it, Last September, at least 832 were killed by a quake and tsunami. Now, what I noticed here, guys, is Mimic is going psycho. This is Mimic, the chart, and this I've never seen this before. This here. Now we are getting unusual weather. We're getting hailstones. You can see it's over Indonesia. We have a heat wave. Sydney's having hailstones and massive damage. Gold Coast these hailstones were big as tennis balls. Okay, this is on the coast here. That's where it is happening. Okay, now look at that, guys. There's a tree clumped down on that. That's. I mean, the trees are weakened by the chemtrails, but now these are the hailstones, guys. I've never seen anything like that. Have you? There they are there. Like a flower. That's weird, isn't it? These are manufactured, guys. It's called geoengineering. These are being made. This is all man-made, guys. These are not normal hailstones. We might get a hailstorm as big as that, but that is ridiculous. It's done a lot of damage. This is not normal hailstone-looking type situation. If you look, that is very strange, guys. It's like a flower, isn't it? Like a mushroom, really. But you can see here that Indonesia, Australia, this big thing, and over here. So what are they doing, guys? What are they doing? Are they manipulating this, the jet stream? Look at that. Looks like an arrow, doesn't it? So I'd say over here there must be some kind of weather phenomenon here as well happening. Because what are they doing? What are they? The evil, powers that shouldn't be. Look at them. Look what they're doing to this. It's got to be something. I've never seen it like this before, guys. It's not a fault. This was Sydney, guys, 2 days ago. It's ridiculous. Wow. Wow. Look at that. They're not as big, but the wind it was destructive. I think it was 150, let's say 120 kilometers an hour. But you can see here that the wind, this wind. Now here's the storm coming in Sydney. Now notice that this, I do believe, is a cloaked ship. I don't believe it's a storm cell. I believe this is a full-on attack to weather warfare on the powers that shouldn't be and the fallen angel technology. This is not a normal storm. This is not normal, though. You can see shapes in here all over the place. This is but this is amazing, and we are going to get hit again. So do you think that they're messing with HARP, hitting up the ionosphere? These can be formed in that ionosphere, and they do all sorts. I'm not a scientist. I don't mean to know everything, but I know what they're trying to do to weather warfare. But these are huge. These are not normal hailstones, guys. So are they doing something with this? Check that out. I've never seen it like that before. And that's been doing that for a couple of days, and we've been getting hit every day now with storms in Sydney and the Gold Coast. That's this side here. That's here. Okay. So what does that mean? Here there we can see there. That's all included up until here. They're getting a heat wave over here. Some kind of cyclone over there. But as I reported, that Indonesia has been struck by a tsunami. My heart goes out to all the families that, got killed and are homeless now. That's disgusting. Look at that. That's shocking, guys. Wow. I don't think it's triggered by earthquakes. I think it's triggered by more than that. Let me tell you. Alrighty, guys. So I'll leave the link here. Yeah, so just pray. Pray. I prayed the storm away yesterday. I did. I bound it. I was like, B, bind in the name of Jesus Christ, Yeshua. And it misses my house. How is that? I just kept praying that it would go away, and it did. There you go, guys. God has the power. All right, guys, take care. God bless. Stay safe, and I'll leave the link. Bye, guys.